Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use Proton VPN on your iPhone in 2026, so let's get started. First, open the App Store, search for Proton VPN and install the app. Once it's installed, open it and sign in with your Proton account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. After logging in, you'll see a list of available VPN servers. Tap Quick Connect to automatically connect to the fastest available server, or choose a specific country from the server list. The first time you connect, iOS will ask for permission to add a VPN configuration. Tap Allow, then confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Wait a few seconds until the app says Connected and the VPN icon appears at the top of your screen. Your internet connection is now encrypted and your IP address is protected. To disconnect, simply open the Proton VPN app and tap Disconnect. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.